Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to MachineStation. Today we have an ST-15Y Haas. We have a sub spindle, live tooling. This is a 2019 machine. Comes with a bar feeder included. It's a great little machine, great little production machine if you guys are looking to upgrade your lathe. Hit us up. We did do a run out test on the spindle. We have less than 5/10. As far as the X and Y axis go, they are dead. And the Z axis, we had approximately 1 thou to 12 tenths. So the straight machine, very accurate. The spindle run out was less than 5/10.